to just the storage phase.
It really is.
Yeah.
And it's hard to grasp the scale until you actually see pictures or videos.
Absolutely. Which brings up an interesting question, maybe something for you, the listener, to think about.
Okay.
We said the drum reclaimer is ideal for fine, well-blended materials, gentle handling,
Right.
and the bucket wheel is for coarse stuff, high throughput. So how do constant fluctuations in the incoming raw material quality, like imagine a sudden rainy season making your clay really wet and sticky versus a long dry spell?
Operational reality.
How does that reality influence a plant's big, expensive initial decision? Do they invest heavily in a drum system for perfect blending or a more robust bucket wheel that can handle anything, even if the blending isn't quite as perfect?
That need for robustness versus precision.
It's a constant, expensive trade-off they have to make.
That's a perfect challenge to mull over. Really highlights how the real world shapes these engineering choices. We definitely encourage you to look up photos, especially that bridge-type reclaimer.